Hi, it's me again, Dan Stahl, President of the Stahls Family Small Business Fund. I'm here today live from my basement in a typical environment for how inspiring entrepreneurs start their business. We're almost halfway through 2021, and for us, that means another round of Pure Imagination scholarship winners to announce. At the beginning of this year, we introduced the Stahls Family Small Business Fund, a program funded due to the recent trend brought on by the pandemic, a rise in small at-home businesses. Through our 90 years as a family business, we have learned there are plenty of hard times. With risk, creativity, and an even better idea, there is also plenty of reward. The Pure Imagination Scholarship from the Stahls Family Small Business Fund is an incredible reward for 21 entrepreneurs in 2021. Each quarter, we're choosing 5 winners with a bonus winner at the end of the year to receive a scholarship. We've already awarded 5 emerging entrepreneurs from across the country with an American-made A to Z heat press, heat printing materials, and a year of one-on-one coaching from our experts back in February. And it's time to do it again and add to our family. Here to introduce themselves are our second quarter scholarship winners. Now let's meet them now.
Hello, my name is Erica Kovacevic, and this is my dog Chico, and we're with Chicos Mafia Dog Apparel. We were incredibly excited to have learned that we were selected to be one of the finalists in the Stahls Family Small Business Scholarship Fund. Being a new startup and in apparel where we are going to be dependent on different types of printing options and heat transfers, we would love to partner with a company such as yours who can provide us all of the tools and the knowledge and the expertise of the different types of heat transfer and screen printing options available so that we can create an amazing product that is different and makes customers want to keep coming back for more options. This would be so impactful for us because I am new in this industry and I would definitely value the experience that your team would offer and the insight into printing and also just in the apparel business.
My name is Milton Putman, CEO and founder of Complete Diamonds Athletics. And let me tell you why we should be the winners of the Stahls Business Family Funding Scholarship. Whew, that was a mouthful. Complete Diamonds Athletics is based out of Detroit, Michigan, where we provide sports and fitness apparel. Our 3 targeting markets are schools and recreational centers, fitness gyms, and sports and fitness retailers. The products that we are looking to use the heat machine for is for our polo shirts, shorts with Complete Diamonds Athletics, and also hoodies. We also like to provide shirts, jerseys, and tank tops for the athletic wear. The products that we plan on using is heat transfer paper and heat transfer vinyl. Our marketing advertising strategy through our influencers and ambassadors, also with our social media and business platforms. We also partner with Alibaba and the Detroit Garment Group. What makes Complete Diamonds Athletics different than our competitors that we won't only just be manufacturing but also providing our vendors with a retail space on our website, also with our brick and mortar.
Hi everyone at Stahls. My name is Cynthia Merritt and I am the owner and run director for Synergy Runs. Synergy Runs is a virtual endurance event company, so we specialize in unique themes for our virtual events, and we do various distances, whether it's 5K, 10K, or half marathon. And so our inaugural event was the Dream 5K, which honored the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. holiday in January. So we launched that event in December. Again, that was our first event, and right now we are doing a Health is Wealth event, and then we also have some events scheduled for June and September. What we plan to do if we are selected as a winner for the Stahls Small Business Pure Fund Imagination Scholarship is we would bring the production of our promotional items in-house. That would really increase our overall profit margins and allow us to be able to reallocate some of the profits to really grow the business a lot more, and that's really our focus right now. We're really in our growth phase of the business.
Hi, Stahls Family. My name is Dana Bertel, and I am from the Motor City, Detroit, Michigan. I have been married for 12 years, and I have 2 adorable children, Michael, who is 9, Malia, who is 6. I am forever grateful for the opportunity to be a finalist for the Stahls Pure Imagination Scholarship.
Yes.
I think I should win this scholarship, as my goal is to become a successful small business owner and eventually full-time, which will allow me more freedom and more time to spend with these 2 beautiful children.
Thank you.
I also want to create legacy, leave a legacy, and also create generational wealth for my children and my children's children.
Hi, beautiful people. My name is Hilary Green, and I'm the owner and operator of USA Custom Buttons. I should be chosen for the Stahls Family Small Business Scholarship because I have built my company and built my brand off the premise of helping nonprofits raise money and helping people make money with no money. So for me to receive the scholarship, the free heat press, along with awesome business advice and information, it would pretty much bring back full circle the whole premise of paying it forward. So I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to winning this heat press and getting this awesome information and becoming a part of the Stahls family.
If you're inspired by the stories you just heard and have a business dream waiting to be fulfilled, why not apply for a Pure Imagination scholarship by visiting our website? As the Stahls family has learned almost a century of being in business, it is possible to turn a homegrown seed into a successful and rewarding business. With a Pure Imagination scholarship, we would love to help that seed grow and flourish for you. So why not apply today? And now it's time to get back to business.